Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting review for you. We're diving into the soundcore Space One Pro, the ultimate foldable noise cancelling headphones designed to make your life on the go easier and quieter. Let's get started. Now, we've all been there, okay? Juggling bulky headphones, dealing with tangled wires, and struggling to find peace amidst the chaos. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just trying to get some work done in a noisy cafe, having the right headphones can make all the difference. Now, these are the Soundcore Space One Pro. These aren't just any headphones. With a super foldable design, adaptive noise cancellation, and all day comfort, they promise to change the game. Turn this on is this button right here. Go to our Bluetooth here on our phone. And as you could see below, the Soundcore Space One Pro. Now let's try out music from no copyright so that we don't get demonetized. Space Boosted, my favorite song right here for testing. That's pretty good, man. Let's go. I love these two, super comfortable. I can use this for hours, man. It's so nice. Need to download the Soundcore app right there. Got a device right there. It's called Space One Pro. Let's hit connect. So this is what you get with the app. You get the battery percentage up there. You can change it to transparency mode. Oh, okay, that's good. I can hear my voice now better. There's the normal mode. This is not like the active noise canceling. So it has the option for noise cancellation, but the normal actually muffles a lot of noise already. And then the active, no, that's very different. That's right. So the active noise cancellation is really good here. Now you can customize this as well to have it max or maybe minimum right there. You can also have it adaptive noise cancelling right there. There's also the easy chat as well, speak enable. So when the hearing, oh, that's weird. So basically it detects when you are speaking, and then if you are talking to someone, it'll be able to detect that you are speaking. Therefore, it'll prioritize kind of like a transparency mode automatically there. So that's really good as well. You can have controls as well. So the single press is the noise cancellation button or transparency. You can also do double press, which is gonna give you the bass up on or off. That single button as well can be used to answer or decline calls. And then you can long press it to reject a call. One of the standout features is the patented flexi curve structure. This 5-segmented headband allows each segment to fold at an optimal angle, making the Space One Pro incredibly compact, reducing its size by 50%. Perfect for efficient, tidy travel. See how easily I folded that and fit into a travel case? It's like magic. No more struggling with bulky headphones. Next up, let's talk about the noise cancelling capabilities. The Soundcore Space One Pro features a 4-stage noise cancelling system with a total of 6 mics, an expanded acoustic chamber, and an adaptive active noise cancelling 3.0 algorithm. These headphones can travel and cancel out a wider range of on-the-go noise. Whether you're in a bustling city or a noisy cafe, the adaptive noise cancellation adjusts in real time to your surroundings, giving you that perfect quiet escape. But noise cancellation isn't the only thing these headphones excel at. The Soundcore Space One Pro boasts triple composite drivers with peak and polyurethane diaphragms, providing a perfect audio balance. Let's test the sound quality. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah. The audio is rich, clear, and distortion free, even at a high volumes. Less than 3% total harmonic distortion means you get pure immersive sound every time. Now, I love these. Comfort is key, of course, especially for long listening sessions. These headphones feature an ergonomic headband and slow rebound foam ear cuffs, making them ideal for extended use. I've worn these for hours without any discomfort. Now, let's not forget the impressive battery life. With having active noise cancelling on, you can use this for 40 hours and a whopping 60 hours with active noise cancelling off. Plus, it's ultra fast charging. A quick 5-minute charge gives you 8 hours of playback. Perfect for those last minute moments before heading out. The Soundcore Space One Pro also comes with the Hear ID 2.0 technology for personalized EQ settings with AI enhancement for clear calls and a Bluetooth range up to 15 meters. These features make it versatile for both work and play. The Soundcore Space One Pro is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a portable, high-quality, noise-canceling headphone. Its super foldable design, excellent noise cancellation, and superior sound quality makes it a top contender in the market. Now today, Soundcore is offering a special promotion. If you buy a Space One Pro, you can get its dedicated travel case for free with a code UNFOLD2GO. It's valid until September 26. So check the links in the description below for more details. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below as well if you have any questions about the Space One Pro, and I'll be sure to answer them. Stay tuned, stay connected, and stay noise-free with Soundcore. See you next time, and peace out.